You're full of confidence and cheap color. You're showing off your moves and hope for attention. And now you turn my life into an invitation I don't know.
Hi guys, welcome back to the B10. Now this week we've not done any filming for the B10, but we have been extremely busy on it, apart from today. I was extremely busy on another piece of junk just that way. So, what did we actually achieve? Well, you've seen probably a few weeks before that we did the metal work on the floor for the arch. Make our nice little red panels. Well, since then, we now have a wheel arch again. And we are very close to being able to go out that shed door. Admittedly, we'll go out the shed door and you'll hear us from about a mile off because there's no exhaust. I know it's there, but it isn't attached. And you just see the big dust clouds as we accelerate. But that's minor details, you know. It'll sound great, it'll sound like it's straight piped. So the work that we've actually done with the massive help from the patrons is new red plates in here. I say red plates, steel plate, but we're painting them red. Protect them. Still got a little bit of painting to do down here through the bits that we've actually made up, but we didn't show you being made up. So I'll show you now. So here is where you can see the biggest change of what we've actually been doing. We've now got our lining back on. Now got this nice red plate which you can't really see, you can just see the edge of it. But these were the hardest bit to make, which you can again just see the edge of. Not enough light really to show you. But these were the spacers for the arch. This arch is now on. I know there doesn't look much tyre room space, but the arches have slightly changed shape because of how we've done the panels, but nothing that's going to foul them or anything like that. We do have the trim to put back on this side. We have got the panel back on that we took off. However, we're waiting for the panel for this side to be done. So this is more or less the finished article. This has been undercoated in white, so it doesn't still need painting actual National Express white. Although you can't really tell that for the amount of handprints on the side of this bus at the moment. But it's all little bits. All little bits that now need. Will you f*** off? It's all little bits that need doing.
Don't regret your film as well.
It doesn't matter. I just cut you out. So it is, this side is just the trim that needs doing and it painting white. The trim will be the tricky bit to do. And now someone's started an engine. Under here, the cylinder has been off, it's been put back on. It's not held in, it's held in by pure luck and the weight of it. But it's in. The pipe that goes from the turbo to the silencer out, we're still in the boot of my car, we've still got a massive hole in it. So at the moment we are still with a straight pipe, as you've heard. Yeah, it's going to go out like that for a little quick jolly round to make sure that everything is good. And just because it'll sound mint. And this is pretty much the same with the other sides of what we've done. Now, we've still got a few little bodies to do, not say bodies, we've got a few little fixes to do for the arch on the other side. Because there's some miscalculations. It only took them a day to drill some holes, and the holes are in the wrong bleeding place anyway. So that was good fun. The other big change that we've done, if we tilt round there, is those that remember the top panel was silver because it was bare metal. Now it's red again. It is with gold, but it's red. Go closer. It might not show up on camera as well when he wanders out the way, but there is no drip marks in this. There's brush strokes because it's been primed and then it's its first coat. So we're going to do its second coating probably next week, maybe the week after. But for now it'll run fine like that. It just needs that second coat just to take out some of the whitewash that would be behind the white primer. I know it looks shinier than the rest of the bus, that's just because it's new paint and the rest of the bus has been coated with a film of dust in here and oily fingerprints. But we are nearly there and it's great. We've got like a few bits up there to do because the straight line isn't there, but as you can see there's nothing really on the top there, and the other side is the same. We're just staying on this side because we don't want to get choked out by the bus over there. So as I was saying, many thanks to the patrons, this bus is nearly ready to go on the road. We do still have a few issues. The biggest one being just behind me, which is the front wheels. Now, it's nothing to do with the wheels, really. It's to do with the little nuts that hold it on. And I can't give his nickname on the YouTube. The guy should have been over there, right on the back, having a fag. Probably sat on his arse. Just trying with his big gun. By big gun, I mean it's a electric car gun that supposedly does 2,400 newton meters top. And the nuts just laughed at him. They didn't even move. Including when we tried swinging on them on a bar, 3 people swinging on them. The nut went, ha ha, as we all fell, and it never moved an inch. So, looks like we're going to Keighley, to Waterton, to see if they can get them off. If they can't get them off, we'll be resorting to the favourite way of doing it. Angle grind. A few good ways. I think we might be able to get them off without moving in, but we'll have to see on that one. You know, you can't see them because some bolts are stuck away. But that's the only real issue we've got at the moment. So we can't actually do the front until that's done. So we need to get the back done so we can run it out. And knowing this evil crap, but it's a lady. It'll have a lady moment on the way to Keighley. It's water out on the floor. Or it'll wait till we're halfway back and piss it out. I know my bus very well. So with that said, we are close. We've just, like I say, we've got one more plate to get. That one plate will do what we need. We might not even need that because we've got some big steel over here which I don't think we can notice if we steal a large section out of it to put in the wheel arch. But let's see, that'll be interesting because that's what we've got on there. Airlines, electrical work. The other thing that we have done whilst we've been toying around is we've changed the ride height to try and level it. Not worked, it still sits like it's most of the time. But what we've discovered is the two levelling arms on the offside, the little 10 kilometres, are stuck and they stick very well. So we've got to replace them as well, but they're dead cheap. So we are making progress, we are on track, so to speak, for this MOT. Whether it passes that MOT is one story, but we shall see. And yeah, thank you for watching. If you want to see more of this lovely B10 in action, do subscribe and like the video. Make sure you share it. That bothers me around here, innit? Do share the content, do share notes, and if you really, really like it, and would like to support us, give us support on Patreon or on YouTube by joining. You can always buy a little crown to support links are available at www.mancbuses.com, where everything is there and everything is in one place. We tend to try and put more information, links and etc. into the blog, and Patreon gets his work by him over there when he gets around to learning how to use it. He was a patron, he now helps out here, and he's our new Patreon manager as Connor already but he's just got to get his head around it. We are going to change the way we do Patreon as well. We'll keep you Patreon guys up to date with that. Discord as well, which is down below, if I remember it'll be on screen, and you can join and have a good chat and have a good laugh really with people. We take the mick out of their vehicles, which is not really for really. So yeah, we're going to go and have a laugh now over there at a GM Standard, because we've had a laugh and taken poor Jim's coach to bits. Now we're going to go and have a laugh at GM Standard before he smokes us out. We're going to go home. So thank you so much. As you can see, this Blackpool Club 374 may walk across the me, which is next on the list of the welding. Hopefully soon as well we'll have Matty James